In the heart of the wilderness, a creature dons its hard hat each day. The beaver, nature's gifted architect. This semi-aquatic rodent displays intricate dam-building skills, unparalleled in the animal kingdom. The beaver finds a body of water and begins to collect sticks, mud, and stones for building materials at the chosen location. Their architectural prowess reflects in their dam's environmental impact. The creation of a dam can transform a small stream into a thriving wetland habitat, benefiting a vast array of species. So the next time you gaze upon a serene pond in the wilderness, remember the master builders behind the scene. Beavers, the unsung heroes sculpting nature's landscapes, one stick and stone at a time.